Weekly list for item 8 weekly list for
weekly list item number 1.
items.
Pardon to mention, your lordship.
Then
38, 39 also permitted to.
Item number 8. Land counsel for the petitioner files a memo to withdraw the application, disposed of as withdrawn.
38, 39 permitted to withdraw and liberty to move before the law and transport. Because identify witness in the meanwhile.
38, 39 memo filed to withdraw the application.
Item number 198. In case of 399-402, co-accused already released on bail. If lordship's time permit, last case.
Yes.
My lord, 286, my lord. Co-accused, this honorable court, co-accused all on release on bail, my lord. My lord, I am the lady. 4 ମାସ 13 ଦିନ ହେଲାନି ମୁଁ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି।
All right, if time permits, I'll take it.
My lord, supplementary list सोमवार दिन ହେଲେ ଆସୁ your lordship.
We'll see that. We'll see. You wait. It may be taken up today itself. Yes.
Yes,
Item number 340 in the weekly list, my lords. It's a criminal division matter. I have mentioned it, my lords, 3-4 times. Your lordship was pleased to allow me to hand over the mention memo. But my lord, it has only gone backwards. Only, my lords, it is listed in 340 now. My lords, the urgency is that in the learned court below, the matter is being urgent only for the reason that this matter is being listed in the.
What is that matter?
Criminal division matter regarding rejection of the petition relating to my lord's discharge under section 239.
We'll see. Yes.
My lords,
Item 190.
my lords, the next date of hearing is 2nd of September. My
Okay.
lords.
Yes.
Item 196, my lord. Pointed to withdraw, my lord. Petition has already been acquitted. 196.
(196) memo filed to withdraw the application, disposed of as withdrawn. Take the memo.
No, mention item 258. Yeah, for interim bail on the ground of father's illness. On 4th of August, your lordship directed to obtain instruction to my learned state council and also directed to list on 11th. Unfortunately, 11th is not listed. And on 18th, it is listed in the weekly list. On that day, I have also mentioned to taken up my lord.
All right, we'll see that. Yes.
Interim bail 4 तारीख को मगोई थी काली taken up my lord.
Item 46, my lord. We will go to the Justice Sasikanta Mishra, my lord. The present bail application, the present petition bail application, merit disposed by the Honorable Justice Sasikanta Mishra.
No, it is to go to the bench which has dealt with the first bail application.
That is your lordship dealt only the Sagar
Yes,
Patra.
yes, next.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord, criminal appeal in the year 2011. Well, due to tendency of the appeal, the petitioner did not get any financial on pensionary benefit, my lord.
What is that criminal appeal?
No. Convicted under PC Act, my lord.
So it has to come in the hearing list.
Yes, my lord. Paper book already filed, my lord.
All right, give the
My lord, criminal appeal out of 10 years conviction, I have been in custody more than near about 9 years, my lord.
Okay, bail matter.
Bail.
All right, give it.
So you take up 2 PM, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Item 343. I am for the wife, my lord. He has husband has filed CR MP against the order of the Land Judge Family Court to maintenance, my lord. It may be taken up. He has not given awarded amount, my lord.
Like call the other side, we can take up this matter.
My lord, it's a fresh criminal appeal, my lord.
Give it.
Another matter.
Time granted for
Yes.
304 juvenile in detention home, my lord. It may be common fresh admission.
Yes, give.
304.
304. All right. Yes, next.
My lords, item number 282, my lords. I filed an application for interim bail, my lords. On my mentioning, my lords, your lordships were pleased to tag that IA to the record, my lords. So may I pray, my lord, let it be taken up today, my lord.
All right. 2 o'clock.
Your lordship, I may be pardoned to mention item number 319, 320, and 321. These are connected matters, your lordship. These are criminal miscellaneous applications seeking restoration of bail applications, which were dismissed for default. Your
Which
lordship.
one?
The bail applications 442.
No, which is the item you are mentioning?
Item number 319, 320, 321. Criminal miscellaneous applications bearing numbers 238, 239, and 240 of 2023.
319, 320, and 321. Okay. All right.
Your lordship, it would take 5 to 7 minutes if I pray your lordship to take it up.
Allowed.
today
It is restored. Yes. लिखित मार्क कर दो. Yeah. Next.
Item number 302, that is a disposed of matter which has been disposed of without prosecution from the side of the petitioner on account of death of the petitioner's advocate from cancer. Taking the advantage of the disposal order of this honorable court, the execution proceeding has been initiated in the trial court, and trial court has already allowed the divorce proceeding where the wife is denied the alimony on account of her marriage, second marriage in substituence of the first marriage.
All right, we'll see that in the
matter.
Yes, next.
Your Lordship, item 318 is also a restoration of bail application. 318.
All right, restore.
Much obliged.
Item 283, my lord. It's a case of under section 399/402. All the co-accused persons are granted
200?
283. Last occasion, your lordship directed to State Council to verify the same.
All right.
Is similar footing or not?
2 o'clock.
Pardon to my lord, 292 weekly list, my lord. 292, lordship granted a co-accused, my lord. Lordship passed same order only parity, my lord. 292 ତା ସହିତ କନେକ୍ଟେଡ ହେଇକି ଆସିଛି 16817 of 2021. Lordship granted
it will be taken up at 2 o'clock. Okay.
Oblige, my lord.
Yeah. Charter's report and deposition copy at flag Barton. Yes.
The report was called for.
This is the bail application of Saroj Kumar 15.
Yes.
Okay. Since when this petitioner is in custody?
26/11/2020.
Mr. Tripathi,
Yes.
verified, is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. So far as this petitioner is concerned, and a charge has been framed, you said the other day.
Charge has been framed.
So have you filed the copy of the charges?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Commission of offences one, so charge sheet has been filed. Where is the copy of the charge?
Your Lordship may kindly see the order dated 11/4/23, Your Lordship, sir.
No. I am just want to see that what are the offences under which charge has been framed.
120B,
409.
Charge, not charge sheet.
Oh, sorry. That is not available.
Our charges has been framed under section 1.
Have you got the copy of the charge? Preparation করবেন।
They have been both minor short note. In the that short note, it has been indicated at paragraph 6.
দেখি। Charge (120B) 420 411 409 34 IPC and date of framing of charge is 9/2/23. Okay. So report has come out of 126 charge sheet witnesses, 3 witnesses examined, and PP wants all the witnesses you examine. One accused was released on interim bail. He has not surrendered. Lala Amrut Sagar Roy. NBW has been issued. Case is posted to 25/8/23 for execution of NBW. So, who are the accused persons whom you say that Honorable Supreme Court has granted bail and
Amrut Soni.
Lalit
Soni.
Lalit Soni has been granted bail by the Honorable Supreme Court, right?
Yes.
Okay, in criminal appeal number so and so. So he is in custody about 2 years and 7-8 months ago. 8 no, that's 10 months ago. What do you say, Mr. Tripathi? When last time I rejected,
Yes.
that is in which application? You said that the other co-accused persons are also granted bail apart from the Honorable Supreme Court granted bail to Lalit Soni. Satyam Pradhan has been granted, S.K.SAHOO.
Yes, ma'am.
Then okay, three persons then have been released on bail, right?
Yes, yes. Earlier bail was 822 of 21.
कौन है जी
Earlier bail.
ऐसे ऑर्डर का कहीं देखिए
822 of 21.
Para 2 of the note, your lordship.
822. यार जो allegation आटा को deal ହେଇଥିଲା सरोज कुमार चा paragraph 4 822/2021 earlier application. During investigation, it is revealed that the petitioner Saroj Kumar Kushti was having a jewelry shop, namely Renuka Jewelry, under Mangalabag police station, and he was coming to the company and taking loan in case of necessity by pledging gold, and later he conspired with accused Lala, petitioners Nilima, Satyam and others to take loan illegally by repledging the gold, and so and so in Mannapuram created series of gold loan accounts in his name using his own KYC. There are 58 gold loan accounts in his name, out of which huge cash up to the rupees of 7 lakh rupees were taken.
72 lakhs.
Several lakhs of 127 fake gold loan accounts were created in the name of Mannapuram, in which funds were taken. Every time cash transaction was preferred than cashless transaction. And in order to suppress the digital evidence, taking the plea of cashless transaction, fake accounts in the name of a tract, Mannapuram belonging to it is also transferred. The gold ornaments placed at the company in the name of some were found to be then that person who has been released on bail, what allegation is against him? That is, his name is Lalitna?
Yes, Lalit Soni.
Acha, he is also having a jewelry shop.
Yes, ma'am.
Jasoda Jewelry. That is under Purighat police station. And he used to come to the Swansok taking company. It's almost identical, Mr.
Yes.
Tripathi. ସିଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ ସୁନା ଦୋକାନୀ, ଇଏ ବି ଗୋଟେ ସୁନା ଦୋକାନୀ. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ what is the reason assigned by the Honorable Supreme Court in the grant of bail? What is that order? Acha, eta. Lord is Sony. It is unnecessary for us to refer to the factual matrix in each matter at this stage. While directing notice to the respondent had granted interim protection when the arrest warrant the Land Council states would have taken note of the appellant had not surrendered on the interim bail कौन दिया इतला कौन लिखा है जी? हाँ?
He was on an interim bail, man.
Who?
Lalit
Soni. Acha. That was made final. That was made absolute.
And I think another in regular bail application, it was also rejected. Against that, 3 SLPs were filed before the Honorable Supreme.
Mr. Tripathi, this while going through the previous order, rejection order.
Yes.
One thing is, I find that both of them are having this jewelry shop, right?
Yes, yes.
One is having a jewelry shop at Nayagarh,
Naya Sadak.
Naya Sadak. The other is having
Mangalore.
jewelry shop. No, that is Purighat. It is mentioned there. यार हला ललित सोनी रहला पुरीघाट पुलिस स्टेशन अंडर रे Jasoda Jewelry.
Jasoda, yes.
ଆଉ ଇଏ ପିଟିସନର ଜୁଏଲାରୀ ସପ୍ ନା ହେଲା ରେଣୁକା ଜୁଏଲାରୀ.
Yes.
ସେଟା ହଉଛି ମଙ୍ଗଳାବାଗ ଥାନା.
Yes.
And one thing, it is sure that all these offences are triable by magistrate. 120B, 420, 411, 409 and 34. These are the offences under which charge has been framed. So how do you
409 is there.
409 is a magistrate tribunal offense. So this is magistrate tribunal offenses, and they have remained in custody for 2 years and 10 months. Similarly situated co-accused has been released on bail by the Supreme Court. So that is his total submission which he is making. So how do you distinguish on the claim of parity? Actually, he is moving
Yes.
the bail application.
But the Honorable Supreme Court did not discuss about the merit of this case.
No, merit means they have submissions have been made. They had earlier granted him interim bail. That interim bail was made absolute.
Absolute.
That is the order. So that means once both of them are stands in the same footing, one is enjoying the liberty, why the other person would remain in custody? That is what he submits. Where is the informant counsel?
Yes, sir.
So please come. So is there any Mr. Chaudhary, any distinctive feature between the two? Because as I find the accusations I have detailedly mentioned in that earlier rejection order. So both are having the jewelry shop. One is under that Purighat police station.
Yes.
The other is having that Mangalabag police station.
Yes.
So they gave some gold and they had taken some loan amount from this Mannapuram. So thereafter, some fake gold loan accounts.
Yes.
So how do you distinguish between the two? That is what one thing is magistrate tribunal. Second thing is 2 years, 10 months in custody. Third is that similarly situated co-accused has been granted bail by the Honorable Supreme Court. These are the basically three contentions they are raising now. That's why I'm asking also Mr. Tripathi and you, if there is any distinctive feature, then it's all right. Otherwise, he will entitled to bail under claim of parity.
So far, the first two conditions, Lordship, definitely the petition starts in the same footing. Whereas the sixth time, my lord, that fellow, the other accused person, that fellow, he has got the bail from the Honorable Appeals Court.
No, that is not the order. That he has to again, if the bail application is to be rejected, and he has to go to the Honorable Supreme Court to. That's not the thing. All right, take down. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, learned counsel for the informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner Saroj Kumar Pusti is in judicial custody since 26/11/2020, and in the meantime, after framing of charges against him as well as the co-accused persons under section 120B, 420, 411, 409 by 34 of the Indian Penal Code, trial has commenced and out of 126 charge sheet witnesses, only 3 witnesses have been examined. The learned counsel further submits that similarly situated co-accused, namely Lalit Kumar Soni, has been released on bail by the Honorable Supreme Court in Criminal Appeal number 2366 of 2023, bracket arising out of SLP criminal number 1086 of 2022. And therefore, on the claim of parity, on the basis of claim of parity, the petitioner may be released on bail. The learned counsel for the state as well as the learned counsel for the informant doesn't dispute that the accusation against the petitioner and the co-accused Lalit Kumar Soni who has been released on bail by the Honorable Supreme Court are similar in nature. The bail application of the petitioner, along with co-accused Lalit Kumar Soni, was rejected by this court. In a common order dated 15/11/2021, and the details of accusation against these two accused persons have been enumerated in page 13 in paragraph 4 of the said order. And the bail application was rejected at that point of time mainly on the ground that many more important areas of the case were still under investigation, and many vital links of the crime are yet to be unearthed. And therefore, there was possibility of derailing the investigation in case of grant to the accused persons. As per the order dated 22/8/2023, the London Trial Court has submitted the status report wherein it is indicated that 3 charge sheet witnesses out of 126 charge sheet witnesses have been examined, and the London Additional Public Prosecutor submitted that rest of the charge sheet witnesses, 123 in number, are vital for the prosecution, and he intended to examine them to prove the case of the prosecution. The London Trial Court has also sent the deposition copies of the 3 witnesses examined so far in the trial court. Peruse the order of the Honorable Supreme Court passed in the case of co-accused Lalit Kumar Soni. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, the nature of accusation against the petitioner, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the fact that the offences under which charges have been framed are triable by magistrate, and similarly situated co-accused, namely Lalit Kumar Soni, has been released on bail by the Honorable Supreme Court, and further taking into account the slow progress of the trial and that prosecution is yet to examine 123 charge sheet witnesses, I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail, subject to condition that he shall appear before the London Trial Court on each date when the case would be posted for trial. He shall not try to come in contact with any prosecution witnesses or tamper with the evidence. He shall not indulge in any criminal activities. Violation of any terms and condition shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed.
My lord, another connected matter, my lord, along with this BLAPL number 616919 of 22 was heard by your lordship and order was reserved. That has not come in the
সেটা কোন কৌছেন সেটা নিয়ে আসবে কোন हाँ ସେଇଟା କୁ ନେଇ ଆସିବେ coming week ରେ it will come in the next week. Okay, yeah.
ତରରୁ 30 ଲଗ୍ନ ବାଟାଇ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ exhibit 43
ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ଟା ଟିକେ ଦିଶୁନି
ନା ମୁଁ ବସୁଛି ନା
ଏପଟକୁ ବସିନି
ହଁ ମୁଁ ବସୁଛି ମୁଁ ଥିଲା
ମାଇକ୍ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସିଏ କରିଦେବେ ମାଇକ୍ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେପଟରୁ ଭ୍ୟୁ ପ୍ରୋମିନେଣ୍ଟ ଆସୁଛି ତ ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ଭ୍ୟୁ ପ୍ରୋମିନେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଆସୁଛି ଠିକ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଓକେ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆପଣ ଦେଖା ହଉଛି ତ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲିୟରଲି ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଦେଖାଯିବ ଯେମିତି
ସେ ସ୍କ୍ରିନଟା ମୋର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍
କୋଉ ଲେଟର ବୋଲ୍ଡ କରିବାକୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ମନିଟର ଦେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମନିଟର ସେପଟେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ହେଲା ପଛରେ କରିଦେବେ ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା
exhibit 43 43 44 45 46 ବାହାର କରିଦିଏ खाली 43 ଟା ମତେ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 44 ଟା କାମକୁ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
I am holding 41 ଏକା ଜିନିଷ ତ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏକା ତ ଆପଣ ଧରିଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଟା
ମୁଁ 42 ଧରିଛି
ଓକେ
43 ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଟା
43 ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
43 ଟା ନାଇନ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଖାଇପାରେ ବନ୍ଦ ରହିବ
ସେଇଟା ନେଇ ଆସ
ଏଇଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 43 ମାର୍କ
affidavit dated
4/4/2019
4/4/2019 में फाइल ହେଇଥିଲା but that was shown
on 3/4/2019 ठीक अछि
ठीक আছে।
Sir,
Exhibit 43 is the original affidavit in Form 26 filed by me before the returning officer on 4/4/2019, which was sworn before the notary public on 3/4/2019. Stop.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ Clause 5 Roman 2 A 12 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ A12 serial 12 page 4 ରେ
12 means XI. FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007, Vigilance Police Station, Cuttack, Odisha.
ଆପଣ
एटा विजिलेंस पुलिस केस भुवनेश्वर ओडिशा हिताना ट्राफिकल मिस्टेक अछि तनु कटक लिखाइछ
ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା
से आगे प्रश्नटा कहउचंती
FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007 Vigilance Police Station Cuttack Odisha
एया ही लिखिचंती प्रथम क्वेश्चन ला तांगर सेया ओके while mentioning pending criminal cases against me in the affidavit in Form 26 under column number 5 bracket Roman 2 bracket XII, comma, I have mentioned that FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007, comma, Vigilance Police Station, comma, Cuttack, comma, Odisha is pending against me. Stop. ठीक है ऊपर उठे दो हाँ ठीक यस
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା Exhibit 26
कॉपी दियंतु
Exhibit 26 ହଉଛି FIR number 34 dated 31/8/2007 of Vigilance PS Cuttack
एग्जिबिट 30 देखिले
ମୁଁ 30 ରେ ଯିବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ 26 କଥା ପଚାରୁଛି 30 ଦେଖେଇନି ମୁଁ ଯିବି ସେଠି
ये
34 ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି FIR number 34 dated so and so Vigilance Police Station Cuttack ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ FIR number 34 which is dated 31/8/2007 registered by Vigilance Police Station Cuttack whether it is correct or not
this FIR is not correct this is not my FIR
ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଏଇ FIR ଟା 34 ନମ୍ବର FIR 31/8/2007 ର ଅଛି ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ କରିଛି ଠିକ କି ଭୁଲ
that this is not my FIR
no mister just a minute Mr. Mukim
sir
Vigilance PS केस रे प्रत्येक वर्ष जो केस गुड़ाक रेजिस्टर्ड हुए तार सीरियल नंबर दिया जाए 1 2 3 4 हेकिनी आ जोटा जो डेट रे रेजिस्टर्ड हुए से डेट टा मध्य उल्लेख हुए ता साइड रे तेणु 2007 मसीहार 34 नंबर जो FIR रेजिस्टर्ड हेची सेटा रेजिस्टर्ड हेची 31/8/2007 रे आउ सेटा रेजिस्टर्ड हेची दी जण लोकंक ना रे जा ना होची हिति इंद्रनाथ महांती ट्रेजरी ऑफिसर आ विजय कुमार मरांडी accountant, Kendrapada Treasury and others. आपणको नारे ए एफआईआर लेखा रजिस्टर्ड है नाही तेणु तांकर प्रश्न होउची जे आउ कोनोसी एफआईआर विजिलेंस पीएस केस नंबर 34 डेटेड 6/9/2007 हेई परिबो नाही कारण 2007 रो 34 नंबर जो जहा को रजिस्टर्ड कराइची सेटा लॉज हेइथिला 31/8/2007 रे एटा तेणु से सेथि पई ए एफआईआर टा को आपन को कन्फ्रंट करूचंती जे 34 नंबर एफआईआर नंबर टा रजिस्टर्ड हेइची 31/8/2007 रे आउ सेटा अन्य मानक नारे ता संगे आपनकर किछि लिंक नाही आपन मध्य कहउचंती जे एटा मो नारे नुहे राइट सो से यही कन्फ्रंट करूचंती ए एफआईआर टा को सेथि पई आपन लेखों इट्स ए फैक्ट दैट vigilance PS case number 34 dated 31/8/2007 कटक विजिलेंस कर दियन कटक विजिलेंस PS case number है ना was registered under section करंतु 13(2) bracket रे नहीं bracket दरकार read with section 13 bracket रे 1 bracket रे small c out a bracket रे small d of the Prevention of Corruption Act and sections 419/120B of the Indian Penal Code and by seeing such FIR which has been marked as Exhibit 26, I find that the same was registered against one Khitindranath Mahanti, Treasury Officer, and Vijay Kumar Marandi, Accountant, Kendrapada Treasury, and others. And I have no connection with Exhibit 26, nor I am an accused in the said case, which corresponds to TR number 16/2010, pending in the court of London Special Judge, bracket vigilance, Katak. Yes, next question, please.
এটা typographical mistake
सॉरी जाओ तापर सेटा कहि देबे एकाटी लिखाई जिवो तार नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टा सुनंतु से पचरी
आपण जो क्लॉज 52A रो सीरियल XII रे जो 12 रे लिखिले FIR नंबर 34 dated 6/9/2007. This FIR number 34 is dated 31/8/2007, wherein you are not an accused. But so you have made a false declaration in your affidavit that FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007 vigilance PS cutter.
ए जो डिक्लेरेशन टा आपण देइचंती रोमान 12 रे तांकर आपण को प्रश्न होउची जे एटा आपण गोटे फॉल्स डिक्लेरेशन देइचंती आपणकर उत्तर रखंतु
Sir, this is a typographical mistake.
Okay, it is not a fact. All right, it's not a fact that I have given false declaration in column number 5 bracket re Roman 2 bracket re B na seta Roman 2 pore
Roman 2B
acha Roman 2 nai tapore A Roman 2 pore A habo
A12 XII
Roman 2 pore A lekhandu B nuhe seta A XII hala about the pendency of FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007, comma Vigilance Police Station, comma Cuttack, comma Odisha, against me it's not the fact that I've given false declaration in sworn so in column of my in my evidence affidavit in form 26 I have given false declaration in column number sworn so of my affidavit in form 26 hala about the pendency of sworn so against me comma even though the said case is no way connected to me with me connected with me stop in fact it was a typographical error to mention about the date of the FIR number 34 and instead of এটা তো নয় no not it's all right it's a typographical error খালি করে দিন আচ্ছা পুরাটা করে দিন it's a typographical error it was a typographical error to mention about the same khali kar din about the same in such column kar din in such column okay
instead of
can you tell me that what is that FIR which is pending against you acha okay then it's all right ha kete number case ta actually pending achi tang na re se jota vigilance PS quarter
FIR number exhibit 30 if your honor looks to exhibit 30 it will be clear 30 last row
କାରଣ ସେଇଟା ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ନିଏ ଆଇଲେ ତାକୁ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବେଳେ ସୁବିଧା ହଁ
ତାହା ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା ଦେଖେଇବି ମୁଁ ସେଠି ଯିବି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ନ ଦେଖେଇକି କିଛି ପଚାରିବି ଯାହା ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖେଇବି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ FIR ନମ୍ବର 34 ଡେଟେଡ 6/9/2017 ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକର ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଏଟା ମିଛ କଥା ଲିଖିଛନ୍ତି
sir କହିଲା not false declaration ନୁହେଁ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ typographical error ଗଲା ପରେ
ଏ ଯୋଉ typographical error ବି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ବି ଆପଣ ମିଛ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି knowingly to mislead the voters you have made such statement
କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି Mr. Mukim
sir I have mentioned that same case
no ଆପଣ ହଁ କହିବେ କି ନାଇଁ କରିବେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ it is not a fact that in order to mislead the voters of 90-Baravati Cuttack Assembly constituency, comma, I have deliberately made such typographical error in my evidence on affidavit, in my affidavit in form 26. Stop. Yes.
I have not deliberately made.
It is not a fact ରହିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାମାନେ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କର ସିଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଡେଲିବରେଟଲି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏଇଟା ନୁହେଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଇଟ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ଏ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ୟେସ୍
ଏଇଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007
30
exhibit 30 FIR number 34 that is dated
wait
6/9
30
ତଳେ
number
ଅଛି
order sheet ଅଛି
ଦିଟା page ତଳେ
order sheet 34 6/9/20 2007 अच्छा अच्छा ओहो এটা হচ্ছে ভুবনেশ্বর ভিজিলেন্স পেজ ও আই সি দ্যাট ইজ রেজিস্টার্ড এগেইনস্ট হিম ওকে তার মানে ভুল হয়েছে ସେ ଯୋଉ କଟକଟାକୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଗୁଡାକ ଭୁଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି it should have been ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର yes now you answer yes Mr.
ଏ ଯୋଉ FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007 ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଫର୍ମ 6 ରେ ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
এই এফআইআর টা ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ଆଡମିଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାଇଁ ଆଗେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖା ହଉଛି ମାର୍କ ହେଇଛି ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 30 that is Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS case number 34 dated 6/9/2007 এই কেস রে accused number 8 রে ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି Managing Director Metro Builders and Private Limited so and so এই কেসটা ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଫଆଇଆର ହେଲା ପରେ ଯାହା ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ରୁ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ତା ଦେହରେ ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ କଗ୍ନିଜେନ୍ସ ବି ଅଫେନ୍ସେସ୍ ନିଆ ହେଇଛି 6/6/2015 ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ରୁ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଏବଂ ଆପଣ ତା ଦେହରେ ଆପିୟର ମଧ୍ୟ କରିଛନ୍ତି 9/10/2015 ଅର୍ଡର ସିଟ୍ ରୁ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି are you is you holding that exhibit 30
yes my lord
acha Mr. Mukim you come to the first page that is the order sheet of the special judge vigilance
Upperta, pura
Bhubaneswar
last page.
सभा उपरटा TR number होची 41 of 2013 सेटा सही FIR रो अराइज करिची
सर
नाउ वर्तमान आपण पळी आसंतु सेकंड पेज को 8 नंबर 8 नंबर देखंतु आपणकर ना अछि
सर
आउ ऑर्डर नंबर 66/2015 ठीक तारी पर लिखा आइची सेथरे जणा पड़ची चार्जशीट फाइल हेची
सर
चार्जशीट फाइल होला परे तापरे आपण ता पर ऑर्डर को पळे आसंतु 9/10/2015 ताटा नेक्स्ट पेज अछि पेज नंबर 3 रे एवं सेठी लेखा आइची जे आपण अपियर भी करचंती अक्यूज्ड कोन पीयूष
Piyushධari
हाँ
Mahanti and
पीयूषधारी महांती एंड मोहम्मद मुकीम अपियर्स टुडे
सर
ठीक तो ओके
क्वेश्चन कले कोन चाहूँ
हाँ 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 नहीं इटिका से इति खाली आपण नोटिस को आनिया चाहते इट इज ए फैक्ट दैट
सर एटा को मेंशन करिछि मु मोर एफिडेविट आई हैव मेंशन
नहीं आगे एटा आसु सी जा पचाउछंती इट इज ए फैक्ट दैट भुवनेश्वर विजिलेंस पीएस केस नंबर 34 dated 6/9/2007 was registered under sections 120B oblique 467 oblique 468 oblique 471 oblique 420 of the Indian Penal Code and section 13(2) read with section 13(1)D of the Prevention of Corruption Act against 8 accused persons, and I am the accused number 8 in the said case.
एट एक्यूज्ड विनोद कुमार टू नै कि हम
हाँ 8टा हला नि कि लेखा हिबा 8टा and I am the accused number 8 in the said case as per the formal FIR, and it appears from the order sheet of the said case which corresponds to TR case number 41 of 2013 pending in the court of special judge vigilance Bhubaneswar, that charge sheet has been filed in the said case on 6/6/2015, and I have entered appearance in the said case on 9/10/2015, which should be which appears from the certified copy of the order sheet and the FIR produced before me, which have been marked as Exhibit 30. Yes.
That's the same.
I have entered appearance
Sure,
and
not
applied for bail. It is
नहीं ये तो खाली
एठी अछि तळे. They
हाँ
filed petition to their advocate praying to enlarge them on bail. Copy petitions have PP.
अच्छा
Bail is
लिखी
allowed.
दूंगा I have entered appearance in the said case on so and so in person कर दिया in person
Applied for bail,
and applied for bail
which was allowed the same day.
and the same was allowed on the very day. Hello, which appears from the certified copy of the order sheet so and so. Yes.
Mukim Babu, ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007 of Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS ଆପଣଙ୍କ affidavit ରେ declare କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
affidavit କିଏ ଦେଖିଲେ ସାର୍?
ଦେଲା ଆପଣ
ତାଙ୍କ
ଦେଇନା
ପାଖରେ original ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଅଛି ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏଇ କଲମ କୁ ରେଫର କରି କହୁଛନ୍ତି କାରଣ ଏଇ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର
5A ରୁ B କୁ ଆମେ ଆସିବା।
5-2A ର
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଏ ଉପରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରୁଥିଲେ
A ରେ ସାର୍ କ୍ୟାପେବୁଲ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ହେଇଛି।
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଇଗୁଡାକ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହେଲା ଯେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର କେସ୍ ଟା ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଥୁଆ ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ PS କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 34 dated 6/9/2007 पेंडिंग अच्छी कौनसी कोर्ट रे बेली आपण ए जो कलम नंबर ए रे मेंशन करना दी दैट इज द क्वेश्चन तापर आपण जहा कहबे लिखिबी मु एटा आगे ए आ उत्तरटा दे दउ
कलम नंबर ए रो XII रे
हां
instead of भुवनेश्वर मु कटक लिखथिल तरी जे टाइपिकल मिस्टेक व्हिच आई मेंशन इन कलम बी रे हमरो सेटा आसीछि सर।
all right it is a fact look it's a fact that in column number 5 bracket रे 2 bracket रे small a of नहीं हाँ XII हैला of my affidavit in form 26 comma I have not mentioned about the pendency of Bhubaneswar Vigilance PS case number अब टिके उठेई दियंतु उपरु नो हाँ हाँ मते देखा जाउंतो भुवनेश्वर विजिलेंस PS केस नंबर 34 dated 6/9/2007 against me but mentioned FIR number 34 dated 6/9/2007 comma Vigilance Police Station comma Cuttack comma Odisha which was a typographical error on my part. Stop. Yes.
मुकिम बाबू आपण ए जो कथा अबिका कहउचंते एटा टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर इट इज नॉट टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर knowingly to mislead the voters you have made such statement in your affidavit.
No sir.
It's not a fact that it was not a typographical error to mention the said case number incorrectly in my affidavit in form 26 but it was deliberately done in order to mislead the voters of 90 Baravati Cuttack Assembly constituency. Stop. Yes.
बाबू देखंतु एफिडेविट रो क्लॉज 5 रोमन 2A1 serial 1
आउथर कोन 5 रो
5A1 रोमन 1
5A
पेज 4 रे टॉप
नो 5 रो रोमन 2 तापरे होची ए
रो 1
प्रथमटा अच्छा FIR नंबर 149 डेटेड 15/9/2018 कमा पुरीघाट पुलिस स्टेशन कटक ओडिशा एया लिखा है हां
देखन सर एग्जिबिट 17
दियंतु पडला सिरे
देखिले
just 17 नंबर टा दियंतु एग्जिबिट 17
पूरा सॉफ्ट
टॉप रे हां कोंतु कोन हला एटा
देखिले एफआईआर टा देखंतु एफआईआर टा 15/9/2018 रे नुहे एटा 11/9/2018 रे रजिस्टर्ड हिच
पुरीघाट पीएस केस नंबर 149
सारी साइड डेट एंड टाइम ऑफ
अच्छा
एफआईआर
अच्छा हाँ ठीक कथा एटा 11/9 रे रजिस्टर्ड ହେଇଛି हाँ तले भी अच्छी सिग्नेचर 11/9/2018 ओके 11 टा 15 लिखिଛନ୍ତି यस मिस्टर मुखिम पुरीघाट पीएस केस नंबर 149 टा जहा एग्जिबिट 17 देखौची एटा 11/9/2018 तारीख दिन रजिस्टर्ड ହେଇଛି एवं सेथ्रे आपण अक्यूज नंबर 1 अछंती फॉर्मल एफआईआर जणा पड़ुची पेज 2 रे जोटा को आपण उल्लेख करिसंती आपणकर आज डेट टा भूल करिसंती सेटा होची लेखिसंती 11/9/2018 जगह रे 15/9/2018 लिखिसंती
सेकंड देखिए
कोनटा
एग्जिबिट
18 टा देखंतु 18 टा
नहीं 149 टा दिथर रजिस्टर्ड हेई परिबो नहीं 149 थरे रजिस्टर्ड हेई गला माने 11/9/2018 रे तापरे जो एफआईआर आसीबो सेटा 150 नंबर धरिबो 150 151 एमती एमती हेकिन जीवो तेणु 149 मीन्स 149 कारण से गोटे खाता थाए सेठी भी मेंशन हुए कोर्ट को पड़े आसे एफआईआर तेणु गोटे नंबर रे दीटा एफआईआर नंबर हेई परिबोनी सेम नंबर
मैं एडवोकेट विल
तेणु आपण आगे प्रश्न पचारुचंती जे एई जो 149 नंबर एतलाटी पुरीघाट थानार एटा तांकर प्रश्न होची एग्जिबिट 17 देखौची 11/9/2018 रे रजिस्टर्ड हेची आपनक सामना रे एफआईआर आगे हां कहउचंती ना नाही कोन Yes, Mr. Mukim.
महिला तो एग्जिबिट एफआईआर पे कॉपी लिखाई थी 11/9
It is a fact that
separate paragraph.
Out paragraph. It is a fact that Exhibit 17 reveals that Purighat PS case number 149 was registered on 11/9/2018. Stop. Yes. What is your question?
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ affidavit form 26 ରେ ଦାଖଲ କଲେ ଏଥିରେ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କଲମ 52A ର 1 ରେ FIR ନମ୍ବର 149 ଡେଟେଡ୍ 15/9/2018 ରେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କୌଣସି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବି କୋର୍ଟରେ ଦାଖଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
Typographical mistake, sir. Instead of 11.
ନାଇଁ ସିଏ କହିବା କଥା ଆଗେ ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲାନେସନ। ଏମିତିଆ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଯୋଉ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି FIR ନମ୍ବର 149 ଡେଟେଡ୍ 15/9/2018 ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ୟାକୁ ସପୋର୍ଟ କଲା ଭଳିଆ କୌଣସି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଦାଖଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି। ତାଙ୍କର ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ହେଲା ଏଇଟା।
15/9 ରେ ଯେହେତୁ କିଛି କେସ୍ ନାହିଁ ଟ୍ରାଫିକ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ତା ସପୋର୍ଟ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ଦେଇପାରିବେ।
ଅଲରାଇଟ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ। You have not submitted any document to show that FIR number 149 dated 15/9/2018 of Purighat Police Station, Cuttack, Odisha is pending against you as you have mentioned in column number 5 bracket Roman 2 bracket A bracket Roman 1 of the affidavit of your affidavit in form 26 question mark କରନ୍ତୁ। ନାଇଁ stop କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Stop. Answer. Since Purighat PS case number 149 was not registered on 15/9/2018 and it was registered on 11/9/2018 and it was a typographical error on my part to mention the same in the said column, therefore I have not filed any document in that respect. Stop. Yes.
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର ଏଇଟା ମିଛ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆପଣ ଜାଣିକି ଯେମିତି ଭୋଟର ମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିବେନି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ କେସ୍ ଗୁରା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ମିଛ କଥା ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ରେ।
Yes, Mr. Mukim, what is your reply?
No, my lord.
It's not a fact that it was not a typographical error to mention the case number incorrectly in my affidavit in so and so. The date of registration of FIR, date of registration of Purighat PS case number, date of registration of the FIR in Purighat PS case number 149. But it is not trackable to mention this one. So, but it was deliberately done in order to mislead the voters of so and so that so that they cannot verify about the same. Yes.
ମୁକିମ ବାବୁ ଆପଣ ସେ affidavit ର
ନାଇଁ
5
ମିଷ୍ଟର ଅଗ୍ରୱାଲ
my lord
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟାକୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏଇ ୟା ଭିତରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ଭୁଲଭାଲ ରହିଛି କି? କାରଣ
ତା
ଆପଣ
ଦେହରେ ଆଉ
ଅନ୍ୟ
କିଛି
ଆଡକୁ ପଳେଇଲେ ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ୟ
ନାଇଁ
ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ
ନାଇଁ
କରିଦେବି।
ତା ନେକ୍ସଟ ପାରା ସେଇଟାରେ ଆଉ କିଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ନାହିଁ
ସରିଲା
ସେଇଟାରେ
ପୁରା ନେକ୍ସଟ ପାରା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, କାରଣ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ରହିଲେ
ହଁ
ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବେଳେ ସୁବିଧା ହବ ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ। ହଁ ଏଇଟା ସବୁ 64 କୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ।
ଉପରଟାକୁ 64 କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଏଇଟାକୁ 65 କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଯୋଉଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା FIR 149 କଥା ଆଉ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆଉ
ଆଉ ଟିକେ
ହଁ ଏଇଟା
ନାଇଁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଅଛି
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ 30 ଆଉ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେଇଠି ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ, ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, 64 କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ହେଲା 65
ମୁକିମ ବାବୁ
65 ହଁ ଠିକ ୟେସ୍।
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ affidavit ର କଲମ 5 ରୋମାନ 2A ର ସିରିଆଲ ନମ୍ବର 2 FIR ନମ୍ବର 150
serial number 2
ହଁ ରୋମାନ 2 FIR number 150 dated 15/9/2018 ପୁରୀଘାଟ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ। ଏଇଠି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ FIR number 150 exhibit 18
ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 18 ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଏଇଟା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ। So again it is same mistake. 11/9/2018 ରେ ଏଇଟା 15 ନ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
my lord same day same case
ହଁ
split
ସେ
affair
ନାଇଁ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ, so that is why he is asking you that ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, ପୁରା ସେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ପୁରା ଏଣ୍ଟାର ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ପୁରା ହଁ ସେଠୁ ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ନାଇଁ ସେଇଠି ଯୋଉ 64 ଟା ପୁରା ନେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ପେଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଖାଲି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବ। It is a fact that ଏଠି 17 ଜାଗାରେ 18 ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ, that ପୁରୀଘାଟ PS case number 150 was registered on 11/9/2018। ତାପରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ସେଠି 149 ଟାକୁ 150 କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ସେଇଟାକୁ dated so and so is you have not mentioned, you have not submitted, okay ସେଟା ଠିକ ରହିବ। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ରୋମାନ କଲମ ନମ୍ବର 5 ଟୁ ରୋମାନ A2 ହବ, ରୋମାନ 2 ସେଟା 2 of your affidavit। ତାପରେ ଲେଖିବେ 150 was not registered on 15/9/2018 but it was registered on 11/9/2018 and it was a typo of so and so on. It's not a fact that typo of figure error in rest of registration in a Fourier set of 150 karantu, but it was deliberately done so on. Yes, next question.
ମୁକିମ ବାବୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେଇ କ୍ଲଜ 5(2)A ର ରୋମାନ 3 ସେଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି FIR/VGR number 85 dated 31/12/2012 Vigilance Police Station Cuttack ठीक ठीक तापर अबिका देखंतु आपण क्लॉज 5 रोमन 2 रो बी रो सीरियल 6 देखंतु
कोटा
exhibit 20 serial 6
B रो
serial 6
GR case number 85/2012 dated 31/12/2012 in the Honorable Court of Special Judge Vigilance Cuttack। ଏଇଟା ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
exhibit 23 sorry
23 ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ସେଠି
ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖେ। ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆଗେ ଦେଖିବା FIR ହେଲା FIR ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ VGR ନମ୍ବର ହେଲା 85 ଠିକ ଅଛି, 31/12/2012 ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଏ ଠିକ ଅଛି,
ଏଟାରେ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ହଁ ତାପରେ
ଏଟାରେ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ହଁ ତାପରେ ସେପଟରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି GR case number 680
ଆଜ୍ଞା
of 2012 GR case number ଟା କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା?
ନାଇଁ ସେଇ ରୋମାନ 6 ରେ GR case number 85 B ର page 5 ରେ
ଆପଣ ପରା କହିଲେ ହଁ GR case number 85
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଚ୍ଛା 85 of
Page
2000 ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
dated 31/12 in the court of special judge vigilance Cuttack
ଆଜ୍ଞା
এটা কোন ভুল হয়েছে কেন କହିଲେ?
এটা VGR জায়গাରେ
ও আচ্ছা
GR লেখা ହେଇଛି
VGR আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওকে ওকে ওহো এটা GR এটা
suppose
VGR
a person goes to a
हाँ
court
हाँ
and
okay okay
searches the
GR case is something different
yes
vigilance okay yes Mr. Mukim ସେଟା ସେ VGR ହବା କଥା ଆପଣ GR ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି V ଟାକୁ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ତଳ ଲାଇନରେ ସାର୍ ମେନସନ କରୁଛି ଯେ ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ କେସ୍ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ
ହଁ ହଁ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ it's all right
ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା
uh,
କହୁନି ଆପଣ
it's all right
VGR GR case number
all right
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
all right it's a fact that in in column number 5 bracket रे Roman 2 तापरे B
ଆগে ଏଟା ଯାଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା A ରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା
अच्छा ओके एटा तो ठीक ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ଠିକ
କାଇଁ
ଅଛି
ତାକୁ अच्छा
ମାନେ whereas
okay
କରିବେ ନା
connect କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି okay it's a fact that in column number 1 so Roman A ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ
A
of my affidavit
A ର ଆଜ୍ଞା ରୋମାନ 3
अच्छा A ର Roman 3 କରନ୍ତୁ
ନା ନା ଏଠି ସିରିয়াଲ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି it's all right
ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ
of my affidavit in form 26 I have mentioned ଉପରୁ ଟିକେ ଉଠେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
mention but I have declared
अच्छा I have declared that ଉପରେ ସେମିତି mention ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେଟା declare କରିଦେବେ ହେଲା ତାକୁ କେତେ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତାକୁ mentioned ତାକୁ declare କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିକି ଲେଖିବେ ହେଲା I have declared that FIR oblique VGR number 85 dated 31/12/2012 of Vigilance Police Station, Cuttack, Odisha is pending against me and while giving its case number and name of the court in column number 5 bracket रे Roman 2
B
bracket रे B bracket रे VI comma I have mentioned GR case number 85 by 2012 dated 31/12/2012 to be pending against me in the Honorable Court of Special Judge, Vigilance, Cuttack. That suggestion will be there.
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ କଲମ 5 to B ର ସିରିଆଲ 6 ରେ ଯୋଉ GR କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 85 2012
VGR ଜାଗାରେ GR ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
VGR ବଦଳରେ GR ଜାଣିକି ମିଛ କଥା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
Please answer, Mr.
my lord,
White. It's not a fact.
I've already mentioned
It's all right.
in the
It's
same line.
all right.
It's a vigilance
You are to answer, Mr. I'm just one. Whatever you answer, it will be. It's a fact that deliberately I have mentioned. It's not a fact. It's not a fact that deliberately I have mentioned GR case number 85 oblique कर दियंतु 2012 in place of VGR case number 85 oblique 2012 in order to mislead the voters of say जो 90 बार है ना? Okay. Yes.
In place of VGR. So VGR
In place of telephone. हाँ. Outer पढ़ it's not a fact that deliberately I have mentioned GR case number so and so in place of VGR case. अच्छा ऐसे लिख दूँ तो in सेट को लिख दूँ तो in column number 5 bracket रे Roman 2 bracket रे B for Bombay and 6 है ना? हाँ of ठीक है हाँ लिखी दवा सर of my affidavit in form 26 in order to mislead so and so stop कर दें ताप लगा it was a typographical error on my part to mention GR in place of VGR. All right.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଟାଇପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଏରର ଏଇଟା ବି ମିଛ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
It's not a fact. कल्ले ताई से लगे ही नहीं ताज़े लगे दिन. It's not a fact that it was not a typographical error, but it has been deliberately done. Yes.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଆପଣ କ୍ଲଜ 5 ରୋମାନ 2 ଏ ର ସିରିଆଲ ନମ୍ବର 4 IV 4 FIR oblique VGR number 83
clause 5 A
5A 2A ର ରୋମାନ 4 FIR oblique VGR number 83 dated 28/12/2012 of Vigilance Police Station कटक. ଦେଖିଲେ ଅବିକା ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କ୍ଲଜ 5 B ର 7
सेम ना से भी माने VGR जगह रे GR लिख दी
GR लिख
आउ सब ठीक अछि
आउ सब ठीक
अच्छा सेरा कॉपी कर दियंतु तापरे ताकू बागी दवा पेज आउट पैराग्राफ कर दवा तो
आगे सेठी टिके रहू एई जो एग्जिबिट
रुहंतु
खाली गोटे
लाइन आउट ऐड कला पर कॉपी करी हां
एई जो एग्जिबिट 23 देखिले भी जणा पडुची एटा VGR केस नंबर GR केस नंबर नुहे
कोटा कहले
से जो पूर्वटर हम एग्जिबिट 23 रे कोर्ट रिकॉर्ड देखिले भी जणा पडुची इट्स VGR it has been recorded as VGR registered as a VGR case number not GR case number
हां VGR तो हिची से
एग्जिबिट ता लिखा ही तो ता
अच्छा एग्जिबिट लिखा लानी
सही पई
ओहो देखिले 67 ने एग्जिबिट 23 विषय किसी लिखा लानी ठीक है It's once in my affidavit I have declared so and so okay I mentioned GR case number so to be pending okay all right तापरे बुध आसिला से जो मु डेलिबरेटली डन करछि हां सेट लिख दियंतु ए से विजिलेंस स्टार लास्ट को नहीं जानतु नहीं कटक परे हां it's a fact that a bare glance at exhibit कोटा कहते से exhibit 23 comma नहीं reveals that the case number has been mentioned to be VGR 85 oblique 2012 okay stop এই প্যারাগ্রাফটা এন্টায়ার জীব আচ্ছা পুরা নেই আসুন তবে କରିକି ତାକୁ ସଡସଠି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ କରିଦବା
ହଁ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ
ଅଲରାଇଟ୍
ସେ ନହେଲେ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରହିଗଲେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବେଳେ ଖୋଜିବାକୁ
ନାଇଁ
ଅସୁବିଧା
ସେଟା କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ କାଟିକିନି ହଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 67 କରନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ଏଇଟା କଣ କରେକ୍ସନ ହବ ଠିକ ସେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
କଲମ 5 ରୋମାନ 2
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
A
ପ୍ରଥମ
4
ହେଲା
ରୋମାନ
ଆପଣ
4
ଏଠି 4 ହବ in my affidavit I have declared FIR
number 83
ହଁ 83 right
dated 28/12/2012
ଖାଲି 28 ଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 28
of Vigilance Police Station Cuttack
ସେଟା ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି
Odisha whereas in column 5 to P Roman 7
VII कर दिया out है I have
mentioned GR number
83 करंतु
of 2012 of special
एटा पर 84 हबो
नहीं 7 टा आज्ञा 80
नहीं नहीं
सॉरी 84 हबो
नहीं नहीं आपण वर्तमान को का को ऊपर क्वेश्चन करछंती 83 ऊपर ना 84 ऊपर
83 ऊपर एग्जिबिट 24 ମୁଁ ସିରିୟଲି ସେ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ ଅନୁସାରେ
ଏଇଟା ତ ସରିଗଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 24 ଉପରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ 24 ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଧରେ
ସାର୍ ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ୍ ସାର୍ ଆଡ୍ ମାଇଲ
ହଁ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ହଁ କଣ ଆଡ୍ କରିବା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆଡ୍ କରିବେ ମାନେ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ମେନସନ୍ ଦି ବିଲୋ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଜଜ୍ ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ
କୋଉଠି କହିଲେ
ସେଇ ଯୋଉଟା ଜିଆର୍ କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 85/2012 ଲେଖିଲେ
ହଁ
ସେଠି ତା ତଳେ ମୁଁ ମେନସନ୍ କରିଛି ଅନେବଲ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଅଫ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଜଜ୍
ଲେଖା ହେଲା ପରା ସେଠି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କରି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହଉଛି କଣ या पूर्व पाराग्राफ रे जोटा को आपण कॉपी करी पेस्ट करिया कहले सेठी आपण प्रश्न हेतिला को कॉलम टा ऊपर आपण करथिले 85 ऊपर करथिले से पैराग्राफ रो मूल रु बाहर करंत आउ थरे देखिबी मु ताको इट इज ए फैक्ट दैट कॉलम नंबर 5 रोमान 2A3 हैला आई हैव डिक्लेयर्ड विजिलेंस 85 डेटेड 31/1 so vigilance Katak is pending against me and while giving its case number and name of the court in column number one so I have mentioned GR case number 85/2000 dated one so 8 court nada leki diyo lekha hi pura to be pending Mr. Mokim it is there already there
Yes,
huh?
sir,
It's a fact that bare glance of a so and so all right it is not a fact that deliberately I have so and so okay so ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ଉପରେ क्वेश्चन ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚାଲି ଗଲା ଯୋଉ ଏ ର ହଉଛି ସେଟା 3 नंबर रोमान 3 ଆଉ corresponding ହଉଛି रोमान 6 ର କଲମ B ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି next FIR next FIR 4 ହଉଛି 83 ହେଲା 83 ର FIR ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଧରିଛି it is marked as exhibit 24 right ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ସଜାଡେ it's a fact that 83 dated ହେଲା 28/12/2012 ଠିକ ଅଛି vigilance police Katak ଠିକ ଅଛି pending file giving its case number and name of the court in column number तार corresponding column टा कोटा
7 VII page 5 रे page 5 रे
नहीं तो
page 5
भी हाँ 5 नंबर जे
सॉरी हाँ
सेटा हबो 8 ना
8 हबो
हाँ 8 हबो यू आर राइट सेट में कंफ्यूज होला रोमान so this one is I have mentioned GR case number 83 of 2012 dated swan so to be pending in the Honorable Court of Special Judge Vigilance Katak. It's a fact that bare glance of Exhibit 24 ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ Exhibit 24 ଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଉପରେ ଉପରେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି Vigilance PS case ନା ସେଇ VGR case number ଟା ଉପରେ ଲେଖା
83/2012 ଲେଖା
ଅଛି ବାକି ଠିକ ଅଛି 83/2012 ସେ ସବୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି
କରିଛୁ ଏପଟେ
हाँ
ସେପଟେ ଆପଣ VGR ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏପଟେ GR
ସେପଟେ
ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
GR ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଇଆ ତ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ। GR କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 5 ସେଟା ହଉଛି 52B ଇଏ ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର VI ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ I ରହିବ ଏଟା 8 ନମ୍ବର ହଁ of my affidavit informed it to be misled those so and so and in place of so and so. Yes, it's right now.
ସେମିତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲଜ 5 ରୋମାନ 2A ର
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପରା ଦେଖିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ଏଇ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ it is not a fact that it was ତାଙ୍କର ସଜେସନ ଥିଲା ଯେ it was not a typographical error ଆପଣ typographical ତା ପୂର୍ବ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ it was a ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ it was a typographical ତଳୁ ଖସାନ୍ତୁ it was a typographical error on my part to mention GR in place of VGR ହେଲା it's not a fact that it was not a typographical error but it has been delivered ତାଙ୍କ ସଜେସନ କୁ ଆପଣ deny କଲେ yes next
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କ୍ଲଜ 5 ରୋମାନ 2A ର ସିରିଆଲ 5 ରୋମାନ V FIR VGR ନମ୍ବର 84 dated 28/12/2012 ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଦେଖିଲେ ତାର କରସ୍ପଣ୍ଡିଂ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ତାର FIR ଟା ମତେ ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ମୁଁ ଧରିବି
ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍ 25
ଦିଅ ଏଇଟା ରଖ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ 25 ଟା ହଉଛି VGR number 84 right dated ହେଲା 28/12/2012 ଠିକ ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ଠିକ କଟକ ଠିକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଠିକ ଆଚ୍ଛା ତାର କରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡିଂ ଟା କେତେ ନମ୍ବର
ତାର ସିରିଆଲ 7 VII
ହଁ ସେଟା ବି ଚୋରା ଓ ସେଇ ଯେ ସେମ ଜିନିଷ ତାହେଲେ କପି କରନ୍ତୁ ପେଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ କରିସାରିଲେଣି ଆଚ୍ଛା ମୁଁ ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖିଦିଏ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ନମ୍ବର ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛନ୍ତି ହଁ ଏଟା ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ 5 ଇଏ ସେଟା V ହବ ହଁ ସେଟା IV ଜାଗାରେ V କରନ୍ତୁ of my affidavit so and so I have mentioned so and so this is 84 dated ହଉଛି 28/12/2012 of vigilance police station Cuttack Odisha ଠିକ ଅଛି while giving its case number and name of the court in 5(2)B ସେଟା ହଉଛି 7 ଠିକ ଅଛି I have mentioned GR case number 84 of 2012 dated so and so to be pending against me in the Honorable Court of Special Judge Vigilance, Cuttack. It is a fact that the bare glance of Exhibit 25, ठीक अछि, when the case number has been mentioned to be VGR number 84, ठीक अछि. It's not a fact that deliberately I have mentioned GR number 84 of 2012 in place of so and so in column number. Okay, in my affidavit, in order to mislead the owner, it's not. Yes, next.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ୍
19
ଆଜ୍ଞା 19 ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲଜ 5 ରୋମାନ 2A ର ସିରିଆଲ ନମ୍ବର 7 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
A ର 7 ହେଲା FIR number 75 date ହଉଛି ଆଚ୍ଛା এটা ମରକତନଗର ହଁ କଟକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଓକେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଡେଟ୍ ଭୁଲ ଅଛି
ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି FIR ନମ୍ବର 75 ଡେଟେଡ 13/8/2012 ମରକତନଗର ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ କଟକ ଓଡ଼ିଶା
से एई टाइप रो जो डेट भूल हेइतला सेटा बोधे प्रथम पैराग्राफ रे अछि
149 एफआईआर टा था
हां सेगुडा कॉपी करी आइले प्रथम रे बोधे थिला नहीं सेटा बहुत बड़ पैराग्राफ ये ठीक है जी सर पळे आसो हम कर दवा त पचान प्रश्न पचान कर दो
देखंतु ए जो सर्टिफाइड कॉपी ऑफ एफआईआर नंबर 75 एग्जिबिट 19 मार्क हेची ए एफआईआर टा रजिस्टर्ड हेची 8/8/12 रे 13/8/2012 आपण मिछ कथा लिखिचंती आपण का एफिडेविट
मरकतनगर थानार 75 नंबर एफआईआर रेजिस्ट्रेशन हेची 8/8/2012 किंतु आपण लिखिचंती 13/8/2012 Yes, Mr. Mukim. मरकतनगर थाना रो 75 नंबर एतला 8/8/12 रे रजिस्टर हेची बोली एग्जिबिट 19 देखौची
My lord, same typographical
type all देखो it's a fact that मरकतनगर PS case number 75 was registered on 8/8/2012 as it appears from exhibit 19. Stop. I have mentioned in column number 5 bracket रे Roman 2 bracket रे A bracket रे VII that Markatnagar PS nahi that FIR number 75 dated 13/8/2012 comma Markatnagar police station comma Cuttack comma Odisha is pending against me. Stop. The date 13/9/2012 13/8/8 non way. The date 13/8/2012 is a typographical error on my part and it should have been reflected as 8/8/2012. Stop. It is not a fact that I have made false declaration. नहीं आसुन अच्छी जदि से जो अच्छी हाँ नहीं जी पळे आसले डाकी डाकी दो पळे आसुन नहीं नहीं पळे आसुन मु डाकी दो सेठी पळे आसुन जोटा it's not a fact that it was not a typographical error, but it has been deliberately done in order to mislead the voters of 90 Baravati voters of 90 Baravati constituency, and that it was a false declaration. Stop. Baki kati den.
Original evidence.
अच्छा I just our corresponding जिनिसटा ठीक मेंशन है जो ठीक है ताले
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ପଚାରିଦେଲେ ସରିଯିବ ଏଇ part।
अच्छा हाँ हाँ
ଖାଲି ଟିକେ original ସେଟା ସାଥ କପିଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ସତ୍ୟପାଠ କରିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜବାନବନ୍ଦୀ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଦାଖଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି। Page 73 that exhibition ଏଇଟାରେ ବି ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି exhibit 9 is the certified copy of FIR number 75 dated 13/8/2012 ମିଛ କଥା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
75 अच्छा अच्छा 19 is the certified copy अच्छा एटा हब्बा कथा से जो डेट टा केते 8 है ना
ଏଠି ତ affidavit ଟାଇପ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ଏଠାରେ ବି ଆପଣ ମିଛ କଥା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
Sir, my advocate can only
नहीं एटा के लिखिचंती जोटा एई भली लिखिचंती ना नहीं आगे कोंतु लिखिचन जदी तांकर सजेशन होची एठी मध्ये आपण मिछ कथा लिखिचंती आपण कोन कहिबे वर्तमान कोंतु कारण सेटा थिला नॉमिनेशन पेपर फाइल सम वर्तमान साक्षी आरंभ हे गलानी वर्तमान आपण एविडेंस एफिडेविट मध्ये देलेनी सेथरे मध्ये सेई टाइप रो लिखुचंती जे एटा होची 13/8/2012 रे मरकत नगर रे FIR नंबर 75 रजिस्टर्ड हेछि एटा टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर ना कोन एटा कोन कहउचंदी आपण ना आपनकर एडवोकेट कहिबे ना जहा कहिबे लेखा तांकर एटा होछि एटा अगेन यू हैव मेड फॉल्स एफिडेविट the question कर दूं please look at your evidence on affidavit
DW
मार्क कीजिए अच्छा ब्रैकेट लिख दियो मार्क्ड एज exhibit DW at page number 73 wherein in the first subparagraph, in the subparagraph, in this paragraph, in the subparagraph, bracket like the first sentence, comma, you have mentioned that you have mentioned inverted comma bhitar rakhidan purata. Exhibit 19 is the certified copy of FIR number 75 dated 13/8/2012 of Markat Nagar, PS, comma Katak, bracket dot करके inverted comma end करूँ dot माने continue करची inverted comma end करूँ तो हला I single inverted comma अपन करचेंदी. Please look at so and so in this software you have mentioned from, and the same is also a false declaration. False statement. Stop. Answer. My advocates can only reply on the same. Stop. Yes.
ताहले ए एफिडेविट रे जहा लिखा है आपण ए विषय रे किछि जानि नांती आपण को वकील जानि छन
ଜାଣିଛି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ଏମିତି ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ସେ ବେଟର ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ କରିପାରିବି.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ ପୁରାଟା କଥା କହି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ସେ ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ପଚାରିଲେ ତାପରେ ସେ କହିଲେ ତା ମାନେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଯାହା ଅଛି ଆପଣ ସେ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜ୍ଞାନ ନାହିଁ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଓକିଲ ହିଁ କହିପାରିବେ, ଏଇଆ ଆପଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି? କେବଳ ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ କଥା ତ. ଅଲରାଇଟ୍, କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ. whether you have no knowledge about the entire evidence affidavit marked as exhibit DW and everything in that respect can only be said by your advocate? Question mark. Answer no. I confine the same only to the first paragraph of page 73 of my evidence on affidavit. Stop.
ताले ए जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ रे लिखा हला एटा आपण को जानतर लिखा नहीं, आपण वकील लिखि देले, आपण दस्तखत कर देले.
No, my lord.
Whether the first paragraph of page number 73 of your evidence on affidavit marked as exhibit DW was without your knowledge and your advocates have done the same. Answer. No. It was within my knowledge. No, it was within my knowledge. Stop. That's yes.
देखंतु मु आपन कहूची आपण कोर्ट रे भी जो सत्यपाठ दाखल करचंती एथरे मिछ कथा उल्लेख करचंती.
No, my lord.
It's not a fact. No, question darkan. It's not a fact that even in evidence on affidavit marked as Exhibit DW, I have stated falsehood. Stop.
ये जो एविडेंस एफिडेविट ये सॉरी आपन का एफिडेविट फॉर्म 26 रो कॉलम 5 रोमन 2 ए रो सीरियल नंबर 8 देखो
এটা কোনটা মু দেখিবি কোনটো তাଙ୍କୁ তো দেখি I should also
फॉर्म एग्जिबिट 43
43 টা দিন
এই তার যে লাগে এই जो
এটা তো 41 দেখুଥିଲି 43 টা ଆପଣ
तारी
ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
देगा अच्छी एफिडेविट कॉपी का
ଆଚ୍ଛା
फॉर्म 26
ସେ ଏକା ପ୍ରକାର ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ହଁ
पेज 4 रे
page 4
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ର ସିରିयल 8
FIR number 69
dated 9/7/2012 बरकत नगर पुलिस स्टेशन कटक ओडिशा
ତାର FIR ଟା କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି
20
20 ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ 20 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ କରିବେ ହଁ 20 ପାଇଲେ ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିଦବା ଆମ ଆଡେ 69 ଠିକ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଡେଟ୍ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ଏଇଟା 19/7
लिखिसंते दिस साइड में एटा देखो ये
17/7/2012 मरकत नगर पुलिस स्टेशन कटक समथिंग राइट यस
ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ କରିଛେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ତାର ତ କପି ଥିବ ନା ଏଇଟା
को डॉक्यूमेंट कोन आपण
ଏଇ
आपण एफआईआर विषय रे अच्छा आपण को मु पचे आपण ए जो आपण ना रे क्रिमिनल केस तेरेटा अछि से विषय रे किछि डॉक्यूमेंट कोर्ट रे दाखल करचंती
ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଦେଇଛି ସବୁ
ए एफिडेविट
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
ए एफिडेविट कथा पचो
FIR ଯୋଉ ଗୁଡାକ ଅଛି ସେ FIR ର କପି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ଦାଖଲ ହେଇଥିଲା କି
ସେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଏଫଆଇଆର କପି ଥିଲା କି ଆମେ ମେନସନ
ସେଟା ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନା
आपण जानि नांती ताले एटा जाऊ आगे आई डू नॉट
ଆଚ୍ଛା I do not know
ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଟି ଦରକାର
को डॉक्यूमेंट आपण तो मु कहि जाननी
whether
ଏକ୍ସିବିଟ୍ ସବୁ
the
सब एग्जिबिट
I do not know whether the first information report of all the case numbers reports karantu first information reports of all the case numbers mentioned in column number 5 bracket रे Roman 2 bracket रे A of my affidavit in form 26 have been filed on my behalf by my advocates. Stop. I do not know whether so and so. Yes. Or not kar diyantu, or not kar diyantu, or not. Or not. Stop.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୋର ସେଟା କହିବା ମିନିଂ ନଥିଲା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି ଯେ ଆମ ସହିତ ଯୋଉ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବମିଟ କରାଯାଇଛି ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ
Yes.
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମ ତାଙ୍କ ଆଡୁ କୋଉ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖେଇଦେବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନା କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିବେ
କୋଉ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ ନା ସେମିତି କଣ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଆଣି ଗନ୍ଧ ମାର୍ଦନ ଫର୍ଦ୍ଦ ଥୋଇବେ ନା କଣ କୋଉ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ଦେଖେଇଦେବେ ଆପଣ
ଆମର ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଫ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଯୋଉ
ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଆପଣ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଥୁଆ ହେଇଛି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
So what is your question, Mr.
My question is, my lord, the date he has mentioned in this evidence affidavit
right
is false declaration.
No, date acha eita ei jota markup 69 69 it is apparent it's
69 ठीक है सर डेट का
69
false
declaration
date actually 17/7 हवा कथा सी 19/7 को जोटा को all right I'm mentioning it is a fact lekho आनी अच्छा it's a fact that Markat Nagar PS case number 69 करंतु हला was registered on 17/7/2012 as it appears from exhibit 20 all right I have mentioned in column number 5 Roman 2A এটা হচ্ছে V I अच्छा 8 number 8 that FIR number এটা হচ্ছে 69 dated এটা ডেট হবো 19/7/2012 ହେଲା comma Markat Nagar police station Cuttack is pending against me the date 19/7/2012 ହେଲା is a typographical error on my part and it should have been reflected as 17/7/2012 it is not a fact that it was not a typographical error but it has been deliberately done in order to mislead the voters of so and so and that it was a false declaration ठीक yes
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
କୋଉଟା FIR ସେଇ 69 ହଁ
This FIR has been registered under section 143, 431, 186, 188, 341, 426, 440, 294, 506, 149 IPC and 96 of the Urban
Police Act
OUP Act रे आपनकर ये रे registered
Urban Police Act 2003 रे section 96 रे registered है कौन है भूल कौन अछि कोन
Now you see column 5 Roman 2 C रो serial 5
serial 5 अच्छा कौन छाड़ छुचंती की तरह
188 they have left
143
सब ठीक है 188 he has not mentioned
188 टा लिखी नांती
ना
हां 188 टा छाड़ दीजिए yes Mr. Mukim 188 रे ମଧ୍ୟ କେସ୍ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି
ଦଫାରେ ବି କେସ୍ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ରେ ତାକୁ ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
128 टा छाड़ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି इट्स ए जणा पड़ुची क्लियरली
आगे
तापर आपण सजेशन कोन मु लिखी
So he has made a false declaration in his affidavit filed in Form 26.
कोन कोन आर आंसर टा कोन मे कथर लिख देबी से पैराग्राफ टा से कोजिन जेटा फॉल्स गोटा ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ना आपण कोन क्लास ऑल लिखुन while mentioning
ଏଟାକୁ ଅଲଗା ପାରା
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାରା କରିବେ
ହଁ ତାରି ଦେହରେ ତ ଅଛି ଆଉ
ସେଇ ପେଜ ର ସେଟା ସେ while mentioning the offenses under column number 5 bracket re Roman 2 bracket re C of my evidence अच्छा C रो अच्छा सेटा कितने नंबर एटा 5 ना C रो 5 of my affidavit in form 26 hala comma I have left out the offense under section 188 of the Indian Penal Code and it was a clerical error. Stop. It is not a fact. Se jo na line ta nahi asan. It has been deliberately done. Se jo ta it is not a fact. It's not a fact that it was not a typographical error, but it has been deliberately done. It clerical. It was not a clerical error, but it was deliberately done. Acha. And one of the offense one of the offense was left out. It was deliberately done and and one of the offenses under which the case was registered was deliberately left out. Deliberately left out. In order to mislead the voters also, and that it was a false declaration. All right. Ajiti? You are right. So next. कौन है आपको मैसेज देखते हैं कोटा देखते हैं आउट तळू जान लास्ट सेंटेंस नहीं तार बीच पारा के ऊपर ता पूर्व जान आउट के आउट It is a fact that Markat Nagar PS case number 69 was registered on 17/7/2012. आउट पूर्व अच्छा आउट बैक करूँ ठीक है भाई ऑलराइट
खाली गोटे से जो एफिडेविट फॉर्म 26 रहला ना सेठी एग्जिबिट 43 44 प्रतिभा कने से
कोटा कहले
फॉर्म 26 ऊपर जो आमे लिखि दल फॉर्म 26 एफिडेविट
हां
सेटारे एग्जिबिट 43 44 45 46 ऐड
अच्छा आपण ए जो विश्वाल अछंती आपण टी जस्ट ऐड करिया कथा सेटा आपण दी जण बसिनी कहि देले से ऐड कर देबे
एग्जिबिट नंबर
अच्छा हाँ एग्जिबिट नंबर आपण जाइकिनी फेरिकिनी is actually it's a no it's all right but okay but
must come and sign the
that is most important otherwise all right try to do this हाँ डेट कथा मंडे हाँ Second half question.
Monday again, ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଯାକ adjust କରିଦେଇଛି Monday ର case ସବୁ ଏ week ପୁରା adjust କରିଛି।
ଶୁଣ ମୋର କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ତ ଏଠି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମଧ୍ୟ କୋର୍ଟ କରିବି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମାନେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ବେଞ୍ଚ ବସିବି ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ଦି ଜଣ ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍ ଯୋଉ ସମୟ କହିବେ ମୋର କିଛି ଆପତ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ଏଗୁଡା ଲାଇଭ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିମିଂ ଚାଲିଛି ଆଗରୁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ସ୍ଥିର କରିଦେଲେ ବେଟର ଯେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଆମେ କେବେ ରଖିବା
ଯୋଉ PM ରହିବାର କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କଣ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ପାର୍ଟ ଟା ମୁଁ କରିକି ଆସିଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେଇ କାହିଁକି ସେ ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଚାଲିବ I will finish it upon Monday that criminal case is
ମାନେ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡା ନାଇଁ ସିଏ ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମଣ୍ଡେ ରାଜି ହଉଛନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ହି says that let it be taken up at second all right Monday that means 28th August at 2 p.m. okay
May it please, Your Lordship.
yeah yes item number 3
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we have filed an affidavit as to the antecedent we had, and
Another comprehensive affidavit has been filed.
we filed the certified copies of the bail order. And it is
Offense is under section 20B of 20B of 20B IAC of
NDPS Act.
NDPS Act.
yes
Your Lordship, I'm in custody.
Commercial committee.
I'm in custody since 26/9/2020, and admittedly, I was the driver of the impugned vehicle, Your Lordship. I'm a boy of aged about 22 years, Your Lordship.
so there was a direction to file comprehensive affidavit
Yes, Your Lordship.
and the report indicates that out of 13 shortlisted witnesses, 2 witnesses have been examined.
Yes.
So, what about that criminal antecedent you were
Your
supposed
Lordship,
to?
I have one criminal antecedent, Your Lordship, and I have been released on bail in that particular case, Your Lordship. I provided the certified copies of the bail
Have
order.
you given a copy to the
Yes,
London
sir.
State Council?
Yes, ma'am.
You are a local man or outsider?
I'm a local man. I'm a local boy, Your Lordship.
So, since when you are in custody?
I'm in custody since 26/9/2020.
26/9/2020.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have never released on interim bail.
Your Lordship, I've never been released on interim bail.
What happened the earlier bail application 9048?
The earlier bail application was disposed of, Your Lordship.
No, disposed of with what observation?
It shall to renew the prayer at a later stage, Your Lordship. And the learned court was directed to expedite the trial. That is it.
Where is that order?
28/6/2022.
27/6/22. We have a bill number 9048 of 20.
Yes,
They're on board.
to expedite the trial.
Yes, sir.
But that was disposed of by Justice Narsim.
Yes, Your Lordship. But since Your Lordship had disposed of the first bail
First bail
application, yes.
application. Or the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the
30
state.
kg of
I'm not granting him just interim bail. the learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/9/2020. And earlier he approached this court for bail in BLAPL number
9048 of 2020.
9048 of 2020, which was disposed of on 28/6/2020.
27/6/22.
I had 28 date achi 28/22 and direction was issued to the London trial court to expedite the trial. তারপরে এই মেন কেসটা উনি আছে এই কেসটা Land Council, however, submits that only 2 witnesses have been examined so far in the trial court, and the petitioner is a local boy, and there is no chance of absconding. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state opposed the prayer for bail, mainly on the ground that commercial quantity of ganja was seized from the vehicle in which the petitioner was the driver.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And he was apprehended at the spot. As per the order dated 11/8/2023, the London Trial Court has submitted the status report of the case, from which it appears that out of 13 shortlisted witnesses, 2 witnesses have been examined. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, slow progress of the trial, and since the petitioner is a local man, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit in view of the bar under section 37 on the NDPS Act, I am inclined to release him on interim bail for a period of 3 months. While on interim bail, the petitioner shall appear before the London Trial Court on each date when the case is posted for trial, and he shall not try to tamper with the evidence and shall not indulge in any criminal activities. Violation of any terms and condition shall entail cancellation of bail. As per the order dated 11/8/2023, the Land Council for the petitioner has filed a comprehensive affidavit relating to the criminal antecedent, which is taken on record. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Interim bail application, my lord, stating that the accused mother is seriously ill and her thyroid cancer.
The health condition is okay, my lord.
The London Council for the State has produced the written instruction received from the IIC Mathili Police Station, wherein it is mentioned that the health condition of the mother of the petitioner was verified after message was sent to SHO Vilai 3 Police Station, Durg, Chhattisgarh, and reply has been received, from which it appears that though the address of the petitioner is correct, but the health condition of the mother of the petitioner is okay. In view of such report, I am not inclined to grant interim bail to the petitioner. Stands rejected.
My lord, I may pardon, my lord. I have already given all the reports, my lord.
Yes, next, you want to argue on merit?
My lord. My
Do you
lord,
want
the
to?
petitioner is in jail custody, my lord, since my lord, he is in custody since 2020, my lord.
20, what is the date?
My lord,
What is it?
26/6/2020, my lord.
What is the status report?
My lord, now the witnesses some witnesses have been examined, my lord.
No, that examination is PW4 is examined on 22nd July 2022,
My lord, my
a
lord.
year back.
My lord.
What is the latest one position?
Latest position is
Status report was not called for.
my lord.
All right. BLFPL number so and so main bail application. Let a status report be called for from the land and trial court so as to reach this court. Usual order for them. Yes. Next.
My lord, date may be fixed.
Yes, it will be fixed on next Friday.
My lord,
Next.
my lord.
Item number 5.
My lord. Last occasion, my lord directed to file the particular of a criminal case as a pending against the petitioner, my lord. After my lord short adjournment, my lord.
Okay, there are 3 criminal cases pending against,
Four.
no, including this case. 3 other cases. This one is the 4. Total number is 4 or total is 5.
Total is 5 men.
ଆରଥର ଆପଣ 3ଟା କହିଥିଲେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି.
No, I have already on the next earlier occasion also I have
But he said that it is 3.
Yes, my lord.
I have mentioned it 3. If you have got another, so let him. Why don't you furnish the number so that
I have
we
given
do
you. I have given you.
All right.
In one case, I'm acquittal and another copy is with me.
ଯାହା ବି ହଉ affidavit form
yes,
ଦବା
yes,
ପାଇଁ
yes, yes,
All
my
the numbers, my lord.
the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks some further time to file the comprehensive affidavit as per the order dated 11/8/2022. କେତେ ସମୟ ଦରକାର କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
1 week, my lord.
This matter in the week commencing from 4th September 2023.
8, my lord, please. 8, my lord.
ବୁଝିପାରିଲେନି କଣ?
8 September, my lord.
4th September ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଇଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର ମାନେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ 8 ତାରିଖ ଅଟୋମେଟିକାଲି ହେଲା.
Okay,
Yeah.
my lord.
Item number 6.
On behalf of Mr. S.S. Ram, my matter may be taken up next week.
You want adjournment?
My lord.
All right, adjournment. Prayer is
I have
made.
already filed the instruction.
In that interim bail application, Land Counsel for the state has filed
Though he has not filed any interim application.
No, there is a interim.
That is different. This is only verbally your lordship has directed me to obtain the health condition.
Let us see that. One interim bail application is pending. That is 168 of 2023.
That to submit thesis.
Right. Oh, that is it.
Yes.
Now, Land Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the health condition of the petitioner deteriorating day by day.
Yes.
What report you are?
Stable. His health condition stable.
All right. Though on 11/8/2023, a submission was made on behalf of the Land Counsel for the petitioner that the health condition of the petitioner Punjilal Meher is deteriorating day by day, and the Land Counsel for the state was asked to obtain instruction on the health condition. Today, the Land Counsel for the state has produced written instruction received from Additional Superintendent of Police CID CB Odisha Cuttack,
Page 91.
in which it is mentioned that the treating medical officer (MO) of District Jail Balangir has opined that the health status of the petitioner is stable. The medical examination report of the petitioner have also been annexed to the report, which is taken on record. Stop. The Land Counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. List this matter in the week commencing from କେତେ ସମୟ ଦରକାର କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Next week,
4th of September 2023. Yes.
Item number 7.
When my lord, Mr. Das is on VC, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Unmute yourself, sir, please.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, he's been in custody for almost 2 years, some odd months, my lord, by now.
Around 4 years.
4 years, 4 years, my lord.
3 years, 11 months, some odd days.
What is the date of custody?
26/9/2019.
Yes. You have earlier approached this court.
Yes, I had approached this court. It was dismissed, and I had gone to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court permitted me to withdraw and move the High Court again, my lord. Page 99.
99.
And it was the order was passed by my Lord Justice Nursing in view of the fact of that judgment of the Supreme Court. It came to my lord.
Okay.
My Lord Justice Nursing, when he disposed of the matter, I directed that a specific time with which it to be.
What is that order passed in BLAPL?
My Lord Justice Nursing's order, my lord.
Yes, 3675.
Yes.
What is that order? 3675.
Just a minute.
Okay, that order was passed on 5/8/2022.
Yes, ma'am.
And direction was given to the London Trial Court
to dispose
to
of
expedite the trial and conclude the same within a period of 6 months.
6 months
from the date of
Yes.
And renew an opportunity was also given to you. Okay, so that is one order. Thereafter, you
again
approach the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes.
But
notice was issued in that matter, my lord. Thereafter, at page 99, my lord, they permitted me to withdraw the matter and move renew my application before the High Court. Page 99.
Just after 3675 of 2022, you again approached this court in BLAPL 9614 of 2022.
That is for interim bail.
The interim bail, that was an interim bail.
That was withdrawn.
Just let me see that. Okay, disposed of as withdrawn. So this is the third one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, what are the offences under which charge sheet
my lord,
submitted?
My lord, basically, my lord, the OPID is the problem.
No, charge sheet submitted under what are the offences?
Yes.
467.
Huh?
467, 468.
Charge sheet submitted.
Yes.
467, 468.
471.
Yes.
406.
Yeah.
420. 120 BIPC, reduced section 6 of OPID.
Page 19 onwards, madam.
So, what is the allegation against him?
I am supposed to be the managing director of the company which had made available the land, my lord, to the Andhra Pradesh Andhra Bank Bankers Association.
Employees Cooperative Society.
No. He is the director of my Hindustan Builder Private Limited.
Yes.
Yes, is like this, Lord. One Andhra Bank Employee Housing Cooperative Society. That is a society they formed, Lord. To give Lord plot to their employee, Lord. They receive 7 crore from the persons, Lord. Out of 7 crore, 5 crore 20,66,000 has been transferred to the account of this petitioner.
5 crores?
20,66,000, Lord, has been transferred to the account of present petitioner, who is the managing director, Hindustan Builder Private Limited, Lord.
Okay.
To provide litigation-free land, Lord, to 169 employees, Lord. persons, my lord. But they failed to do so, my lord. This is the case, my lord.
No, that's all right. They have received, and whether there is any progress in the construction work or
No
there is
progress. What happened, my
It
lord?
is not no construction, my
They
lord.
listed
It is
the land
land.
in somebody's name, my lord. But he fails to give possession, my lord. Another person the possession. All are disputed land, my lord.
Oh, I see. So, Mr. Das, what do you say?
That apart, my lord, similar type of three cases, one airfield PS 176 by 16, another Shahid Nagar PS 305 by 14, another Khandagiri PS 254 by 18.
So, what are the status of those cases? Give a comprehensive affidavit. There are three other similar cases against you. And you have taken 5 crores of 22 lakhs.
20 lakhs 66,000.
20 lakhs and 66,000.
Right.
To provide litigation free plots to the 169 persons.
Yes. So, my lord, there are two. My lord, before that affidavit, my lord, so feels, my lord, may kindly say, my lord, my submission is this, my lord.
Yeah.
In Gagan properties, my lord, Gajanan properties, my lord has held that the OPID Act will not apply to people supplying, entering into agreement for the purpose.
That depends upon factual aspect. That is a matter which that is challenged in the Honorable Supreme Court. It is, I think, it has been admitted also. It is pending now.
Gajanan is factually totally different, my lord.
Yeah.
That party case is civil suit against the on another party.
Gajanan, he has developed the land to a large extent.
My lord, here I was not supposed to be developing the land. I was supposed to be giving land only.
Right. But the land which you are giving, that is in possession of somebody else.
Yes,
so
not
what
possession,
is the
my lord.
purpose in providing the land to the some persons?
My lord, difficulty.
They cannot take over the possession. They cannot construct anything because somebody else is there.
My lord, the difficulty is that some of the land is available, others were not available. The person.
କେତେ ଜଣକୁ land ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତା ଦେହରୁ କେତେ land
100% କୁ ଦିଆ already 100 cell deeds have been executed.
ମାନେ cell deed ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡାକ litigation free କି ଆସି
As per my instruction, not a single person take possession in his land, my lord, because other person are in possession in the land.
No, you file a specific affidavit to that effect, that how many persons name the land has been registered, and thereafter he will file
whether any possession
right, and if so, what are the names of those persons, so that he will make a take a instruction and file an affidavit. That apart, these three cases which he is now referring to, about the status of those cases also, you file a comprehensive affidavit.
Let my learned friend state that, my lord. That what is the status? I'll also state, my lord. Let him also take instructions.
The learned counsel for the Mr. Patro, learned special counsel appearing for the state of Orissa in OPID Act matter, submits that the petitioner was the managing director of
Hindustan Builder Private Limited.
Hindustan Builders Builder Private Limited. And it is the prosecution case that Andhra Bank
Cooperative Society.
Andhra Bank Employee Housing Cooperative Society Limited. Andhra Bank Employee Housing.
All right. Deposited an amount of rupees 7 crores with the bank authorities for providing litigation-free plots in their favor.
One thing, Lord. Not a bank authority. It is a society name, Lord. Andhra Bank Private. One of the employees is Andhra Bank. So the name is like this.
Okay. Collected 7 crores from 169 persons. 169 persons, and out of which they gave transfer like them. They transferred a sum of rupees 5 crore 20 lakhs and 66,000 to the petitioner's company for providing litigation free plots, and not a single person has received possession of any plot. The Learned Counsel for the state further submits that there are 3 other criminal cases of similar nature pending against the petitioner. Learned Counsel for the Mr. Ashwan Das, Learned Senior Advocate, on the other hand, submitted that he has instruction that about 100 persons have been cell deed have been executed in favor of 100 persons.
And ROR has been corrected.
And the record of rights have been issued in their favor, and they are in semane position ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କଥା ନା ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି. And he will file an affidavit to that effect, giving the names of the person in whose favor the land has been recorded after execution of cell deed. He will also file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those 3 criminal cases stated to be pending against the petitioner. You collect the case numbers so that you can, it would be, and list this matter. So I'm listing this matter a week after, so that do the
Yes, and my lord, in the meantime, in whichever OPID matters, my lord, bail has been granted by the Supreme Court. That list also I have given to my lords.
All right. The list this matter in the week commencing from 4th of September 2023.
My lord, 2 weeks, my lord.
4th of September means next week is 28th, and 4th is the next week, 4th September.
All right.
Yes. Next.
One thing,
Item 8, my lord. Learned Counsel for the petitioner files 2 bail orders.
Yes.
E case re.
No, my OPID Act.
Okay.
Under the
2 bail orders which are taken on record. Yes. Next.
Item number 8.
May I please, your lordship? I am through VC, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord. My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship called for a report whether the mother of the petitioner called for the medical report, as because the mother of the petitioner.
Yes, Mr. Tripathi.
Yes, my lord.
What is your
received the IA copy?
Yeah.
And let it come next week. I will.
All right. The Learned Counsel for the state submits that after receiving the copy of the interim bail application, steps have been taken to obtain instruction on the same, and the matter may be taken up next week.
Yes.
List this matter on date okay, date next Friday.
Oblige, my lord.
केते 1 तारिख 1/9/2023. Yes, next.
Item 9.
11, Mr. Somendra Patnaik.
May please, Your Lordship. My Lord, the previous order, Your Lordship, just have a glance. Prayer, Your Lordship, I have amended so far as the I have filed the writ petition for quashing of the FIRs, 6 FIRs lodged against him. And the FIR, in the prayer portion, Your Lordship, I prayed for to quash the FIR. So only prayer I have amended that the quash the FIR so far as the petitioner is concerned. Yes, I have filed an amendment petition to amend my prayer.
What is that amending? IA number, which is that?
IA number?
There are 2 IA it has come. Which one is one?
IA 265.
265. An application for appropriate interim order.
276. Sorry, 276. IA 276 by 23.
Just a minute. All right, Mr. Mahapatra.
My Lord.
So he wanted, I put a question that
Arrested or not?
no. I put a question that why the entire FIR should be quashed when there are other co-accused persons. And if you say that the case is not made out against you, then it is to be amended that it is to be dropped against you or it is to be quashed against you. Not that the entire, all the once FIR I quash means everything goes.
Yes.
So that is why he sought for adjournment to file that interim application to amend the prayer portion. Now it has been filed and he wants to amend it. So IA number so and so, this is an application for amendment. Land and Council for the state has no objection to such amendment. Accordingly, prayer made in the IA is allowed. It is 276 of 2023. The Land Council for the petitioner shall file a consolidated file korichendi.
Only my Lord, prayer portion.
Prayer portion. Aja file the consolidated prayer portion,
As
which
page
is
70.
Which is to be attached at page 17. A Roman 7, 8 ସେଗୁଡା ସବୁ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁ ଅଛି ଖାଲି ପେଜ 17 ଯାହା
ଠିକ ଅଛି କପି ଦେଲେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କାଉନସିଲ କୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
yes copy of the so it is accepted ହେଲା now it will be taken up next week
well next
yes
week
list this matter next week see IA ଟାକୁ dispose of କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 276 ଟା dispose of ହେଇଗଲା ହେଲା
that another IA my lord pending it has not been had yet
no that is to be heard along with that CRL MP it was today fixed for that amendment so this is allowed now it will come for admission okay all right
on the heading of the fresh admission
now obviously it is to be listed for under the heading of fresh admission yes Good. What is this personal appearance?
My lord,
mention ହେଇଥିଲା